Hello and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome and welcome to our quick math class today. Okay, so we have a question. Now look at the question. It says, I don't know if I should use the black pen. I think that's better. All right, so it says here that if n raised to the power 3 is equal to x and n raised to the power 4 is equal to 20x, where n is greater than 0, okay, what is the value of x? So we're looking for x. We have two equations. This is our first equation. This is our second equation. All right. So what do we do? So when you have questions like this, you need to manipulate one to try to get the value of another from the second equation. So now this is n raised to the power 4, which is equal to 20x. Now here, this is n raised to the power 3 is equal to x. So let us manipulate this to become, so we can substitute a parameter in here. Okay, so what I would do is, let us make this n raised to the power 3 be n raised to the power 4. What do? We multiply this first equation by n. So I will multiply by n, multiply by n. Okay, when I multiply by n, in exponents, you add the power, right? So that will be what? N, that's n plus 1, because we are multiplying by n, and this n is raised to the power 1. Do you see that? So you have something like this: n raised to the power 3 dot n raised to the power 1 equal to x times n. Okay, so here, this will be 1 plus 3 plus 1, which will be what? 4. So that's n raised to the power 4 equal to xn. So you can see now we have n raised to the power 4. This is n raised to the power 4. So I can substitute the value of n raised to the power 4 into this equation. And what is that value? Xn. So I substitute it into our second equation. So we have xn equal to 20x. So from here, yes, x is going to cancel out, but hold on, we're looking for x, remember. Okay, so we cancel out, we have n is equal to 20. So we've gotten our n, which confirms that n is greater than 0. Can you see this? All right, so from here now, we can now find x by going back to our first equation, which says that n raised to the power 3 is equal to what? X. So we've gotten our n as 20. So we do 20 raised to the power 3. And what is 20 raised to the power 3, which is equal to x? 20 raised to the power 3 is 20 times 20 times 20. That's 400. 400 times 20, that will give us 8,000. So x is equal to 8,000. So do you see that? You see how you solve this? So the knowledge you need here is how to manipulate equations, substitute, and also your exponents. You need to have the knowledge of exponents. All right. So these are the knowledges, the subjects in maths that you need to know to get this. Okay. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please share this video with your friends, family, and loved ones. And don't forget finally that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He's the life. He's the one who's going to lead you to heaven at last and give you peace right here on earth and make your life beautiful. Come to Him today. All right, He's waiting for you. So from us, from DTW Tutorials, you are destined to win in life and also in your exams, or in whichever academic endeavors you're pursuing right now. You are destined to win. All right, thank you, and see you in our next video.